Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu has reported it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports that Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu said, when Abdullah bin Ubay bin Salul died, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was called to perform prayer over him. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up, I quickly went to him and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, will you perform prayer over Ibn Ubay? Whereas he said this and that on such and such a day, and this and that on such and such a day, which I kept on counting before him. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam smiled and said, O Umar, get aside. When I insisted, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, I have been given the authority, so I have opted this course of action. If I knew that he would be forgiven for my praying more than 70 times for him, I would pray for him for more times. Then reporter says that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed prayer over him. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam returned, 2 verses of chapter Barat were revealed not long after. And pray you never over any of their dead, and nor stand over his grave. No doubt they rejected Allah and His Apostle and died while they were disobedient. Surah Tawbah, verse 84. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 1366.